G'day guys, it's Aleks and
Reuben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you another special.
Indeed, we've gone the other side of it this time though, Aleks. We've gone big, not quite the full 1,000-ounce industrial bars, but still pretty big and chunky nonetheless.
Absolutely chunky for a punky, Reuben. We're doing these at a ridiculous spot price. This is a spot price special for 5 kilos of pure silver.
Gotta love it. These bars often end up going to larger stacks or SMSF kind of accounts because you don't get the flexibility with these that you do with, for example, 5 1 kilo bars. You kind of have to sell back the entire thing at once. And the thing to keep in mind with these that we'll put in as just a bit of a caveat is you may not get full spot price for them. It is up to our discretion on the day, anything larger than a 100-ounce bar in size. So look, to be upfront and transparent, that is the reason we are able to do these ones at spot price. But Aleks, you were telling me before, we have at even times during this year still paid spot.
Many times this year, when we were short on silver, we have paid full spot for them. It is just at our discretion. If we're long, we'll pay just a couple of percent or 1% or whatever it is less, again, per discussion, but you are saving quite a bit on premium. And that's why, that's why it's a great deal if you've got the cash for it. And I know if any self-managed super funds people seeing this see it, it won't be around for very long at all.
Yeah, indeed. So that's it. Not to talk you out of the special because it is a very good one, but just it goes to the right kind of person. These ones who are looking for something to back their stack or something as opposed to someone just starting out.
Or if you just want to pump some iron, they're very good. Buy yourself a couple, do a bit of jogging with some silver.
That is the other advantage to these 5 kilos. We've seen doorstops, weights, all sorts done with these kind of ones. But yeah, cool to do another special, Aleks. We just filmed the celebration King Charles one, so we're not sure how well they've gone. But I know the 10 ounces sold very, very well, and we'll see how fast these ones go.
We'll see. Until next time, may your stacking be good stacking.